Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the animation effect to overlay in CapCut PC. So select your videos or photo you like to edit. For example, I'm going to select the photo as a background, and I'm going to add the overlay. So put on top, another click. Going to resize and remove the background. Alright. To add the animation, just click on animation and select in, out, or combo animation. For example, I'm going to select the in animation and select the zoom in. Sorry. Alright. We go. So this is the final effect. Yeah. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.